So, hi guys! Ayan, samahan nyo kami na pumunta sa isang beach kung saan ito ay bagong bukas lang dito sa Sitio Mag-asawang Bato, Barangay Nasalaan, San Francisco, Quezon. Yes guys, nandito tayo sa Quezon at ito nga ay pupuntahan natin yung bagong bukas na beach dito. Ito yung kauna-unahang beach dito guys at ito yung mga dinadayo talaga ng mga turista dito.
Guys, welcome po kayo sa Valley Cove.
Ayan, saan po ito, ma'am?
Matatagpuan po ang Valley Cove sa Sitio Mag-asawang Bato, Barangay Nasalaan.
Magkano po yung mga rates po ninyo dito, ma'am?
Dito po, meron po kaming cottage. Pag wala pong bubong, 500 po. At yung may kubo naman po kami itong 1.5. Meron po kami ditong cabin. 4.9 po ang, bale, yung 4.9 na po yun 4 packs. Meron na po siyang sariling swimming pool. Meron na rin pong sariling kitchen, CR, and shower.
Magkano po yung entrance?
Ang entrance po namin ay 90 pesos po per person. Tsaka po, ang bata po 7 below, wala na po siyang bayad. Kung gusto niyo pong mag-chill, unwind, and magkaroon ng peace of mind, pwede po kayong pumunta dito sa Valley Cove. So, meron po kami dito ang paddleboard. 200 pesos po ang 1 hour. Meron din po kami dito volleyball. Yan po. At kung gusto nyo naman pong malula, meron po kami ditong swing. At ongoing pa rin po ang aming construction. Bali, magkakaroon po kami dito ng public pool at saka po cabins. At magkakaroon din po kami ng bonfire spot. Dito po. There. At meron din po kaming campsite here. Kaya kung gusto pong mag-relax, magkaroon ng peace of mind, and mag-unwind, visit lang po kayo sa Valley Cove. Visit nyo na rin po kami sa aming Facebook page, Valley Cove.
Yan, thank you so much Ma'am Mylene. At guys, kung gusto nyong pumunta dito, i-visit nyo na ang Valley Cove. Dito lang yan sa Barangay Nasalaan, Sitio Mag-asawang Bato, San Francisco, Quezon. So marami kayong magagawa dito guys kasi marami ditong mga pwedeng gawing mga activities. So sinasabi nga ni Ma'am Mylene kanina na ongoing pa daw yung kanilang construction para lalo pang mas gumanda ang Valley Cove. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Arat na!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.